Hello there and welcome to IMTV, your industrial minerals news programme, where we aim to bring you the very latest digest of industry news for people on the move. Coming up today, an exclusive interview with Focus Graphite's president. Orbite receives approval from the government of Quebec. The battle for AMCOL draws to a close. And asteroid minerals mining to be achieved within 5 years. First today, IM's exclusive interview with Focus Graphite's president at the Prospectors and Developers Association Canada. During the PDAC Congress in Toronto, Don Baxter revealed the company's offtake agreement with an unnamed Chinese conglomerate was for half its output and for 10 years. The agreement is for a minimum of 20,000 tonnes a year and will all come from Focus's Lac Knife deposit in Quebec.
We announced an offtake agreement with a Chinese conglomerate just before Christmas and had a very positive effect on Focus. I think it clearly puts us at the head of the pack as far as within the graphite space, being the only company to do that and the only one in history to do that. So directly with an end user, and the fact that it's a Chinese end user will take minimum half our production, but they'll take up to 90% of our production. So it's had a very positive effect. It's also spurred the others we're speaking with to maybe come to the table a little quicker because they're concerned that there may not be enough of our high quality flake for them as well. So it's a quite comfortable position to be in. And having the offtake also answers that question. It comes from most of the financial types trying to look at financing a graphite project. Can you sell it? Absolutely.
Next, Orbite Aluminae announced at PDAC that the government of Quebec has formally approved a $10 million equity investment in the company. The firm, which is a junior developer seeking to produce high-purity alumina using its patented processing technology, told IM that the money will go towards completing its high-purity alumina plant. CEO Glenn Kelly spoke to IM at the conference.
The Quebec government invested $10 million into Orbite's equity, and that brings us a very strong strategic investor. And what is more important is that investment was based upon a technical due diligence that was carried out by a large independent engineering firm. It wraps up the financing that we required to finalize our $105 million HPA facility. So construction will start this summer, and we'll be producing or be commercial and producing 3 tons per day of high purity alumina January of 2015.
US-based Minerals Technologies has finally won the battle for bentonite producer AMCOL, having beaten industrial minerals producer Imerys in a 3-month bidding war. Minerals Technologies will acquire AMCOL for $45.75 per share after Imerys announced it would not increase its bid above $45.25 per share. Before entering into the $1.7 billion merger agreement with Minerals Technologies, AMCOL terminated its contract with Imerys, which has set the company back by $39 million. And finally, as earth minerals deplete and miners are required to dig deeper to extract resources, asteroid mining could become a reality within the next 5 years if financial and technical obstacles can be overcome. That's according to US-based Planetary Resources, who say the single biggest challenge they face is convincing people that asteroid mining will happen sooner than they think.
It's probably closer to 1 year than 50. We're 3 years away from the private exploration of these frontiers.
Planetary Resources has also joined up with US space agency NASA to recruit programmers who can help identify asteroids in images taken by ground-based telescopes. The Asteroid Data Hunter contest, scheduled for launch on the 17th of March, will offer $35,000 over the next 6 months to anyone who can develop improved algorithms that can be used to identify asteroids.
Fundamentally, it's still resources. It is resources doing what resources have always done for us humans on this planet, improving our quality of life, giving us the ability to change and adapt to our environment.
And that's all we have time for this week. If you have any comments or feedback, we'd love to hear from you. You can get in touch via Twitter @Indmin or contact us through our website. That's www.indmin.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon.